I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. I brush my teeth twice a day. I brush my teeth twice a day. I eat healthy food. I eat healthy food. I drink enough water. I drink enough water. I keep my room clean. I keep my room clean. I make my bed in the morning. I make my bed in the morning. I read books daily. I read books daily. I take care of my hygiene. I take care of my hygiene. I share my things with others. I share my things with others. I am kind to animals. I am kind to animals. I help my parents. I help my parents. I say please and thank you. I say please and thank you. I keep my desk clean. I keep my desk clean. I reach school on time. I reach school on time. I save electricity and water. I save electricity and water. I speak politely to everyone. I speak politely to everyone. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my teacher. I go to bed early. I go to bed early. I always smile and stay happy. I always smile and stay happy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more English videos.